Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. As you can see from the title, today I have a very exciting pre-Christmas Hermes bag unboxing for you. So this was very unexpected. I walked into Hermes and basically walked out with a new handbag, my first ever Hermes bag from the boutique. I'm so over the moon because it's such a special color, such a stunning color. I could not wait to unbox it with you. So if you're curious, keep watching and let's get started. Also in today's unboxing, I have a little surprise giveaway for you guys. So before I unbox the bag, quickly I wanted to let you know what it is. Today's video is in partnership with Italo Jewellery. I have been working with Italo for so many years and you guys know I always speak about their jewellery. I wear them all the time. I'm wearing this stunning necklace today and as always I've been wearing this bracelet since I got it. It's one of my newest additions. I unboxed this recently and I always wear it together with my watch. Either this bracelet or my other one that I have in silver. It is so sparkly, so shiny, so beautiful. These look exactly like real diamond bracelets, but they're a fraction of the price, and considering the quality, you get such good quality pieces, very affordable. So definitely check them out, check out their website. Also another very popular piece from Italo, the eternity band rings that I love. I have so many of them. So today I'll be giving away one of their most popular designs and one of my favorites that I wear all the time. All you have to do is comment. I will randomly pick a winner from the comment section. Just leave your size, just put ring dash and your size, and then in a week I will select a winner on my Instagram stories. So you have to be following me on Instagram because that's where I will announce the winner and I will contact you directly. So I'm super excited because I love their eternity bands. But yeah, definitely check out Italo. I will make sure I leave all the info down below and link some of my favorite pieces. Also, I do have a discount. They're running their holiday sale, but you can get extra 20% off with my discount code, which you can see here on the screen. It is D20. They have free shipping, 60-day return policy, worldwide shipping, so definitely check them out. Okay, it is Hermes time, so let's unbox my new bag. Judging by the box, can you guys guess which bag I got? So let me unbox it. I'm not gonna keep you waiting any longer. Just a quick story before I show you. I walked into a boutique. I had an appointment with my essay and I was actually looking for something completely different. I was after some fine jewellery. I wanted to treat myself for Christmas and buy some fine jewellery that I've been eyeing, and then I walked out with a handbag because they didn't have any of the jewellery pieces that I wanted. So here it is. We have the pillow and the booklet in here. I'll share the price with you later. All right, here we go. It is a hair bag in size 31 in this stunning neutral color. This is the color Trench with gold hardware, yellow gold hardware and black shiny leather. I'm not sure if this is box, actually I have to double check. I don't think it's box. I actually didn't do much research at all. I just saw a random picture of the bag. I didn't even know the name of the bag, if I have to be honest. I showed a picture to my essay and they surprised me with this bag and I was like, wow. I wasn't even sure if it was a hard bag to get. So it turned out it's actually not as easy to get. It's not a wishlist bag, it's not a quarter bag, but they don't have them all the time. They're actually quite popular style, and especially with gold hardware in a neutral color. Honestly, I still can't believe it. This color is perfect for my first hair bag. This is actually such a great opportunity to try out the Kelly style. This is, everyone says this is the Kelly sister. It looks like a Kelly. It has a top handle, it has a long strap, and I will try it on so you can see how it looks on me. It is a size 31. I believe it comes in a larger size. Yeah, this is perfect size. I was afraid it might be a bit big, but for reference I'm 5'6" and it works great for me. Also, it is the return style, so it looks a bit more compact. It doesn't look as big, but what's great about this bag is that you can actually turn it inside out and wear it as a cellier style. So I don't think I'll do it, but basically you can disassemble the whole bag. You can unscrew this bit here and then take apart the entire bag. So let's say if I have another hair bag with like a brown leather, I can interchange, put the brown on the trench. Do you guys know what I mean? So yeah, that's great. So at the back it has the zipper pocket, which is so convenient, and actually I do prefer, because I've already used the bag I got it a few weeks ago. I took it with me to Paris, so I wanted to upload this video before my Paris vlogs, which are coming up next. Can't wait to show you, but I do actually prefer, most of the time I tend to wear it this way, and this pocket is so convenient. And from what I've read, I actually did some research before this video, I found out that this style, the hair bag, was actually discontinued. The older hair bag didn't have the pocket at the back, so when they brought it back they added this pocket, and I'm so glad they did because it's so convenient. It could be a bit tricky to open. I'll just show you how you open it. It is very spacious inside, and then this is the bag inside. Also inside you have this, which is also very practical. I put stuff inside because it's one big compartment. I need to get an organizer for this bag definitely, because it's very soft. Yeah, it's very deep, so it's sometimes hard to find my stuff. So I'm glad that it has this pouch inside. I put some like smaller items in there and they're easier to find. And also we have a little bag here, so let me show you what's in here. We have the clochette with the lock. So glad that this bag has a clochette. It looks so cute and I'll show you in a bit. So yeah, I was saying that this bag is actually a bit tricky to open and close, so I think I'll just get an organizer. If I need to get something quickly out of my bag, I'll just put my wallet and let's say keys and a lipstick and a mirror in this pocket, because it's very easy, very convenient to just open and grab instead of just opening the bag, closing it. Yeah, it is a bit of an annoying process. It is a whole process. So yeah, I will show you a clip. But I know some people wear them open, but I don't like the look of it open, so I do close the front. Okay, here we go. I closed it finally. And then I leave these hanging, the little hands. Then the clochette I will hang here on the front. So here it is. I'll put the keys here on the front, and then the lock. I'll just put here, and look how nice it looks. The reason I actually wanted to try out this bag, first it was a great way to try out the Kelly style, because you guys know I'm a huge fan of the Birkin because it's a bit more casual. The Kelly is a bit more refined, elegant bag, and I'm not sure if it will suit my style as much. That's why I want to get another Birkin, but at the same time I did want to try the Kelly style. I know so many people love the Kelly because it is a bit more user friendly. It has a long strap, so I know many people prefer the Kelly over the Birkin, and this was a great way to try out the Kelly. It is a bag from Hermes and 2k, so I think I paid just under £2,000. Also, what really attracted me was the style, the canvas. You guys know, I think I've mentioned in my other videos, I'm a huge fan of the cargo Birkins, and I know it will be probably impossible to get one of those. I think they get offered to VIP customers only, but I've seen them in Paris and they look so beautiful. Every time I spot someone in London wearing a cargo Birkin, I'm like, wow, this bag is amazing. And this bag really, especially with this pocket at the back, really gave me cargo vibes. So yeah, I've been really enjoying this bag. The color is neutral and it goes with everything. I love this trench color, and especially with the yellow gold hardware. I think the yellow gold hardware is a bit more rare. The hair bag comes with silver as well, but yeah. And also I bring my little horsey. Can you guys see how nicely they match? I can finally, after what, a year, maybe more than a year, finally use my little horsey, and this color goes so perfect with the trench. Okay, here we go. The first sticker is coming off. Look how shiny. Wow, can we all see how shiny the hardware is now? I've been dying to take off the stickers, guys. I'll just do the rest off camera because they're actually quite annoying to peel off. There are stickers on the side, stickers on the lock, so I'll do that off camera later. But yeah, I'm so happy with this bag. I love that you can play around with this bag. You can add charms. This bag really suits charms because it's so casual. I don't think I can crossbody it. I haven't tried. The strap is not long enough. But it's very convenient to wear just on one shoulder, and it doesn't slip, which is very important. Some bags, some chain straps on some bags really slip off my shoulder, especially in the winter when I'm wearing coats or blazers. This one, because it is in this, it has this raw finish at the back, it doesn't slip. It really stays on there, okay? So yeah, this is the new bag. Let me know what you guys think. Let me actually share the exact price with you. So the exact price of the bag is £1,910 for the hair bag without the charm, the hair bag in size 31. So that's all, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's Hermes unboxing video. I'm so happy with this new purchase, and it came right before Christmas, so perfect timing. Let me know what you think of the new bag. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. I'll make sure I leave all the details in the description box. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in Paris next. So my Paris vlogs are coming up next, so stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy them as well, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.